All right. So let's say I have 5 squared plus 10 divided by 2 minus 3. Hennessy, I do expect you to be writing this down. All right. What do I do first? Yes.
Times 5.
What do you mean times 5?
25.
Yeah. So we're going to do the exponent. And after we do the exponent, we're going to divide, right? So 5 squared, what is 5 squared? It's 5 times 5, not 5 times 2, right? So 5 times 5 is 25 plus, what's 10 divided by 2? 5, then minus 3, right? So we brought down the addition sign, we brought down the subtraction sign. I'm left with 25 plus 5 minus 3. Yep. What's 5 plus 25? 30 minus 3. 27. And you're done. And you're done. Okay? All right. So a little review. Things we should know. All right. Let's say we have 3 parentheses 4 divided by 6 plus 8. What do I do first? So Hennessy, what are you going to ask me? Yes. Because the first thing was a statement, which is, okay, cool, you don't have a pencil. Second one's a question. All right. What does it mean when it's 3 in parentheses? It's multiplication, right? So we're going to do this multiplication first. Good old multiplication. So what's 3 times 4? 12. Divided by 6 plus 8.
10.
Yeah. So then we're going to divide. Do we add first? No. If I add first, I get a wrong answer. And then this would be 14, right? Can I do 12 divided by 14? No, you can't. So that should also help you. Like, wait a minute, I can't do that. So what's 12 divided by 6 is 2 plus 8 is, we get 10. Pretty straightforward, hopefully?
Yeah.
10 will be our final answer. All right. Let's see, what would be a hard one? $30 minus 4 squared times 2. Ooh, I'm gonna love this one. You, maybe not so much. Me, yes. All right. What do I do first? We're gonna do this exponent first. When it says 4 squared, what does that mean? Does that mean 4 times 2?
4 times 4.
4 times 4, good. So what is 4 times 4?
I got the answer.
16. Okay, hold it to yourself for a second, Victor. See if you're using the same steps I'm doing. So we have 30 minus 16 times 2. What do I do first? No. Multiply.
What?
Multiply is done. Multiplication is done first. The last 2 things you do is always add and subtract. But multiply and divide, that's like number 1. Yeah, you're going to get negative. What's 16 times 2? 32. So we have 30 minus 32. No. Negative 2. $30 plus negative 2. I'm sorry, 30 plus negative 32 is negative 2. So when you have subtraction and multiplication on the same line, I have subtraction, I have multiplication. what has more power, what do you end up doing first, is the multiplication. Okay? So be very careful. Heard it, some of you wanted it to subtract. I understand where that mistake comes from. No, do not be fooled. All right, let's see. What's a good one? What's a good one? Ooh. Ooh, I like this one. Oh, yeah. 8 squared plus 5 squared minus 100. Write it down. See if we're following the same steps I'm doing. What do I do first? 8 times 8. What's 8 times 8? 64. What's 5 squared? 25. And then I have to subtract 100. Do I add or subtract? Add. So what is 8 squared? What's 8 squared? 64. Good. What's 25 squared? Oh, sorry. Sorry. I can't do 2 things at once. I gotta sign out Louise and then I gotta do math in my head. It's too complicated, kids. It's too complicated. Sorry, 8 squared is 64 plus 5 squared is 25 minus 100. Uh-oh, we're gonna get a negative number again? 64 plus 25. What's 64 plus 25? 89 minus 100. Oh, that makes me so sad. That makes me happy. You realize that there's different signs, right? You have a negative and you have a positive, right? So when they're a negative and a positive, you're going to subtract. So you have 100 minus 89. So 10, 9, 0. 10 minus 9 is 1. 8 minus 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. So we have 11. Now, do we have more positives or do we have more negatives? So my answer is negative 11. We okay? Easy? Pretty easy? Okay. Oh, what is this? Extra homeworks. Wasn't expecting from January. Alright, couple more minutes. And then we'll switch to different activity. Alright, can I give you guys 2 problems to work on?
Yeah.
And see if we can do this. I'm going to divide up my paper in half. So you don't have to. I'm just going to question number 1, question number 2. Let's see, let's make this hard, Miss Amala. They have to think. They have to think. Oh yeah, I like that.
Is that 2?
2 to the power of 2. Okay, here's your 2 problems. 75 plus 2 to the power of 2 minus 18 plus 3. And then we have 6 squared minus 3 squared plus 10 divided by 2. Alright, try it out. Try it out. an answer for the first one already. Alright, cool. Write down your answer for the first one. Write down your answer for the second one. I mean, I don't have the answers for it. Had none. Alright, 36 minus 9 plus what? 5. No, I'm not even going to say the problem. I'm just going to say, learn my lesson. What's this answer?
27.
Plus 5 is?
32.
Yeah. And check your work. Where did you mess up? Hopefully you got them both right. Hopefully you see if you made a mistake, you see the mistake and you're like, okay, I'm not doing that again. That's just embarrassing. What if I give you the longest one of your life?
You better give us $100.
My hands are already tired.
Listen, man, we said 2 condoms.
So I lied?
That's a bad example.
Hmm.
Lying in front of the students.
All right. I was trying to make it longer, but then I ran out of room. 7 squared, write this down, Amari, plus 2 minus 10 plus 6 divided by 2 times 4.
Listen, maybe do you know the answer?
No,
Without the calculator?
in a minute I will. I just write it down, and I don't. 7 squared plus 2 minus 10 plus 6 divided by 2 times 4. I'll pause it. I'm going to do it. So here and all of this. Okay? So do this, do all of this, and then add and subtract. Okay, what's 7 squared?
49.
So you got 49 plus 2 minus 10 plus whatever this is. 6 divided by 2, 3 times 4, so it's 12. And now you have just adding and subtracting. So you just you go from left all the way to the right. So 49 plus 2, 51 minus 10, 41 plus 12. Your final answer should be 53. Where did we go wrong?
When I got the answer right for 41.
Yeah?
But then we got it at 44.
Ah. Yes. Little mistakes like that could catch you. Get you. Alright, are we okay with order of operations review?
Yep.